Welcome you guys, welcome to Kiran Swati Knee Tutorials. Now today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is leaf modifications. What about leaf modification? We already know about modification. Modification means what? A permanent change takes place in a leaf to perform special functions, not normal functions. What are the normal functions performed by leaf? Photosynthesis. So that is a common function of leaf. But when leaf it is modified to perform special functions other than a photosynthesis. So what are the other functions it is performed by these modified leaves? So what are the types of leaf modifications? So we will discuss all those details in this class. So here the leaf modifications are various types. So first we are starting with the tendrils. What about tendrils? So tendrils are thin, wiry, coiled like sensitive organs, right? So what are tendrils? So those are thin, wiry, coiled, sensitive organs. So what is the function of tendrils? So it is mainly helps in a climbing purpose. It is mainly helps in a climbing purpose. So in leaf modifications, the entire leaf it may modified or some portion of the leaf it may modified into a tendrils. So what are those portions? So in some plants, upper leaflet it may modified into a tendril. So see in pisum plant, so these are the leaflets. So here the upper leaflet it is modified into tendrils. So example for this one is pisum. Right? So in other plants, stipules. So stipules means what? So where the leaf base it is present, so two lateral appendages are called as a stipules, right? So those are helps the leaf to protect in a bud condition, right? So sometimes in some plants the stipules also modified into tendrils. So see what are the examples for that one, and that is about a smilax. So see it is a leaf and it is a leaf base. So here these are the stipules. The stipules are modified into tendrils. So example for this one is what? So that is about a smilax. So in some other plants, so see here the stipule it is modified into tendrils. Other plants, so here the petiole, the start of the leaf is called as petiole. That petiole it's may modified into a tendril in some plants. So those type of tendrils are called as petiolar tendrils. So if you will take a Nepenthes plant, so see it is a leaf base and it is what? It is petiole. Right? So it is a petiole and it is a leaf base and it is a lamina portion. It is a leaf apex. So here the petiole portion it is modified into a tendril. So example for this one is what? So that is Nepenthes. So those are trap leaves, right? In some plants, the leaf apex, it's may modified into tendrils. So example for this one it is a gloriosa. So see, it is a leaf. So where the leaf apex, it's may modified into tendrils. So example for this one is what? So that is gloriosa. Right? So it is about a tendrils. So what is the main function of tendrils? So it is mainly helps in a climbing purpose. So next we will discuss about another leaf modification. So that is spines. So it is the first one. Spines also, it is a one type of leaf modification. So why the leaves are modified into spines? So because it helps to reduce the water loss. So if you will take some xerophytic plants, the leaves are modified into spines to reduce the water loss, because those are present in drought conditions, right? That water, sufficient amount of water is very less. So that's why the leaves are modified into spines to reduce the water loss, and along with that it is helps in to protecting themselves from the grazing animals. So that's why here the leaves are modified into spines, right? So what are the functions? So it is helps in the protection, and along with that it is helps in reduce the water loss, because those are present in a drought conditions. So in spines also, sometimes in some portion in the leaf it may modified into spines, or entire leaf it may modified into spines. So now we will see all those examples. In cactus plant, Opuntia plant, that entire leaf and it may modified into spines. So see, so it is about a stem. It is phylloclade, right? So here the stem it is modified into green flattened structure. So here the leaves are modified into what? So those are modified into spines. So it is about a spines. These are all the leaves. The entire leaf it is modified into spines. So why? What is the reason? Because it is helps to reduce the loss of water, and along with that it is helps in protecting themselves from the grazing animals. So example for this one is Opuntia. In some other plants, that stipules it may modified into spines, right? Stipules. So see, example for this one is Jejufus. If we see the plant, it is about leaf. So here the stipules are modified into spines, right? So example for this one is what? So that is Jejufus. In other plants, some other portions. If we will take sometimes that leaf margins, it may converted into spines. If it is converted into leaf margins, so see, it is a leaf margin and it may converted into spines. Right, so these are all spines. So example for this one is argemone. In some plants, that leaf apex, it may modified into spines. If you will take aloe vera, if you will see the plant, that leaf apex, it may modified into spines. So example for this one is aloe vera. So these are the various parts in leaf. It is converted into spines for the purpose. It is helps in protection and it is helps in reduce the water loss. So it's about tendrils. That's about spines. So next we will discuss about a phyllodes. So what is phyllodes? So in this phyllodes, the petiole portion, it is modified into a flat and green color structure. So see, here the petiole. Petiole means the stalk of the leaf is called as petiole, right? So here the petiole, it is modified into flat and green color structure. So later it will produces leaflets. So these are leaflets. Right? So here it is a petiole. This petiole portion, it is helps in to carry the photosynthesis. So that is the main function of a phyllodes. So example for this phyllodes is acacia. Right? So it is the third modification of leaf. So in next class we will discuss about remaining other leaf modifications. So I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.